A quick one. So I have seen some tellers, trying to post some jobs to attract customers this season, right? Trying to advertise some outfits on their timeline, both Facebook, WhatsApp, and other platforms on TikTok. And the truth is that most of these designs they are posting, they have not been able to do it from January till November, right? And you are posting what you have not sewn for the past 1 year. There are some styles that before you sew them, you must have practiced them by yourself, or you must have been able to do the job, in previous times. Now, you don't expect to learn or do some jobs at the dying minutes. You don't expect to um, sew agbada by December when you have not sewn agbada before, or you have not sewn that style before. Learn to keep to your lane, learn to stay on your lane, learn to do those things that you have been doing for long during the seasonal period. This will help you to balance your mentality, change your mindset, and make you retain yourself than you're doing some jobs that you have not been able to do or you have not done before. Obviously, you will lose focus and concentration. So now, when you have not been able to do these jobs for the past 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 9 months, 10 months, and you get to the 11th month of the year, and you want to start promoting or advertising these jobs, how do you intend to do them? Some of these jobs might be simple by looking, but will be tricky, right? Because if you have not been able to practice these jobs, you cannot do them. If you have not sewn agbada before, for example, don't sew agbada during the season period. If you have not sewn danshiki before, don't sew it during the season period, because this season period is not when you will start looking for knowledge. It's not the rightful time for you to start looking for upgrade. It's not the right time for you to start seeking for information. If you're a tailor, you and I know that actually there's no particular time that is for season, but for the general whatever belief, we believe that season is from ember months for tailors, right? Especially December, because of the festive period. So if you will work from January to December, and you know that there are some jobs you need to learn, the best time to learn it is from January, so that you'll be able to equip yourself with the knowledge. So by December, these jobs will come and you'll be able to do them without any problem. But if you have not been able to do any of these jobs from January to December to November, and you start by December first week or November ending and start posting these styles, how do you intend to cope? Most of them will come to my DM, please tell me how to do this. I will not reply you. It's not as if I am angry or I will not help you, but this time is not the time that any fashion coach or any person can even have time to reply you, except you are in my mentorship class, right? I will not be able to guide you through. So if you don't have a mentor whom you are under his tutelage, don't kill yourself by taking styles you cannot deliver. Instead, when you want to take those styles, look for someone that is a special, a professional in doing those particular styles, and go and give it to the person to do for you, while you charge and pay the person and go and deliver the job, right? Don't go and start cutting people's clothes when you have not been able to cut them previously. It's a saying. It's like you are camouflaging, right? Any job you don't know how to do, if you must take the job, take it. Look for someone that can do it very well for you. Pay the person. If possible, learn from the person. So next time, subsequently, you'll be able to deliver the job by yourself. It's not a sin, right? When they talk about collaboration, most people feel collaboration is only when you stay in one shop and work. No, you can tell someone, okay, you are good at making shirts. Okay, December period, I do have shirt works that come. How much do you charge in making shirts? He will tell you, actually say 2 naira, for example. You say, okay, I do get shirts. If I give you 10 shirts, how much are you going to remove for me? Okay, so okay, I bring 1 naira 50 kobo, for example. And you go and tell your customer, I will charge 2 naira 50 kobo. They will price you 2 naira. You've already gotten 50 kobo from the whole transaction for per shirt. So imagine you get 10 shirts and you save the 50 kobo into 10. You know how much you are getting without doing any job. Just go and measure and get the tailor that will do it for you and deliver it. But make sure that before you get this work or do any work, you must have had somebody in mind, and the person must have agreed to do the job for you. Because don't go and take a job and feel that he or she will be free. He or she might be occupied and will not have time to collect the work from you anymore, right? So in a nutshell, try to be articulative, right? Whatever you have been sewing from January to December, please maintain January to November, maintain that same style. If you want to change, let it be a style that you can handle. Right? I know there are some styles that you can still do for the first time by December and you still get it right. Right? Don't get it wrong. But there's some styles that you really need to learn. There's some styles that you really need to learn. You really need to practice it from beginning. When Etibo was in vogue as of 2011, no, not 2011, yeah, 2011, 2012, when Etibo was in vogue, I have not made Etibo for the very first time during that period, right? So I just said, okay, let me try for the first time. I used what you call bell material to try the Etibo and those angle foldings. I knew how many times I tried the foldings before I was able to get a sharp angle that gave me a replica of what was on the picture they gave me. So when I used the bell material to try it on, it came out well after 2 or 3 trials, right? So that was how I was able to get the value I use in cutting the triangles to come out very well. It's 3 inches by 3 inches. When you fold angular, it comes out a very sharp V that gives you a nice finishing. So now, if I did not use that bell material to try, imagine I have used the customer's material to start trying on the fabric. I will obviously spoil the material, and there might be no time for me to practice. And immediately I learned that Etibo, that was when I got the job more, because I was now posting the job often and people loved it and they came for patronage, right? And also bear in mind that people will come with what they see you post or what they believe you can make. So if you don't post what you can make, you are putting yourself in a very big problem. So that is just the best decision you can make. So don't go start posting blazer when you have not sewn blazer before. It's not proper. Don't try it, right? I know the money might be interesting, might be enticing, but the stress you will have, the mental stress you will have will be more than the income or the gain you will get. So I believe that this Xmas period, all of us will work in accordance with our strengths, our capacity, and our possible collaborations with other designers, right? So if you also have suggestions or comments, you can drop in this video. I'll also go through the comment sections and reply yours. I wish we all the very best of luck in our seasonal jobs, and make sure you stay out of trouble. Don't take jobs that you can't deliver. Don't promise people 25th of December. Don't promise more than 2 people December 25th. Don't give more than 3 people one day for collection. Don't give more than 3 people one date for collection. Give at maximum 2 people one day for collection, so that you can work nights and deliver the job the next day. Don't go and give 10 people 25th. All of them will come that day, and it will be a total mess, right? And I also believe that before now, you should have known your capacity, you should have known your speed, you should have known what you can make in a day. So there will be no magic that you will do before 25th that will make you be a superstar or a superhuman that will make 20 clothes in a day. If you have been making 10 clothes in a day before, you will still make 10 or even 9 or even 8, because you are meant to drop in productivity because of the stress and everything and other side distractions. So if you have been making 5 clothes in a day, your rate should also remain 5 clothes or 4, right? So use that calculation to know how many jobs you can get. And also bear in mind that as a tailor as well, you should as well make time for you to rest or have some break while you are working. The money you will make in December might not be enough to fulfill your dreams, but it will still go a long way if you can still make more, right? But have in mind that every day is season for every good tailor. If you know what you are doing, every day is season, every day is season, every day is season. So January is still season, February is season, March, April, May, June, July, all of them are season, right? So don't kill yourself because of season. Season comes every day for those that know what they are doing, So, in a nutshell, try to equip yourself. Make your contacts now. Try to get people that can work for you if you have not gotten. And don't exceed your limit so that you will not find yourself in problems. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye for now.